conservative for a party that has always defended private property. He cites two things: a proposal to introduce a property tax on second homes, and the use of rhetoric about revolution.
Revolution. That's strong language for a historically moderate party.
It is. So the ultimate question the analyst poses is this: is Shalstiri making a calculated gamble? Are they trying to storm the castle and fill a perceived vacuum on the extreme left because they know they just can't compete in the crowded center anymore?
It's a high-risk, high-reward strategy if that's what's happening.
It certainly is. The political world is now waiting to see their next big policy announcement, which is supposed to be about sustainability and welfare. That will tell us a lot.
And that brings us to the end of our report. We've covered everything from international sanctions and fishing quotas to deep domestic debates on the economy, technology, and political identity.
A week that really shows the Faroes navigating some very complex internal pressures while trying to manage an equally complex international environment.
Thank you for joining us for the regular Faroes News Report.
We have reviewed the latest facts and perspectives derived directly from the source material available this week.
Like and subscribe to Paul's Fundamentals for more content like this. Sources linked below.